Hi, I'm Raquel of Fabulous in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sweet potato hash that's perfect for fall. Check it out. So we'll take our bell pepper, onions, and sweet potatoes and dice them up. Now to our hot cast iron skillet, we'll add extra virgin olive oil, sweet potatoes, salt, pepper, paprika, onion powder, chili powder, and then stir it all around to get all the seasonings evenly distributed throughout. Then we'll add our onions, red peppers, green peppers, minced garlic, and we'll stir it around again. Cover it to allow the potatoes to get soft. Once they are soft, you are done. Top with some cilantro and serve. Get more videos on YouTube at Fabulous in the Kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to my blog at fabulousinthekitchen.com.